WebHelp support is being available in oXygen since version 12. After gathering information from our users, it became obvious that standard WebHelp is an unidirectional way of presenting the content to the end users. All user feedback had to be routed through additional channels like email, forum, or phone. For most users, this process was cumbersome and time-consuming, some of them even giving up providing feedback. Starting with version 14, oXygen added the ability to transform DIRA and DocBook documents into feedback-enabled WebHelp systems, being the first XML single-source publishing solution which supports this technology. This means that now the communication is bidirectional. Posting a question or a suggestion is just one click away. Other users that visit the documentation pages are able to see the added comments and reply to them. Here are some of the benefits of using feedback-enabled WebHelp system. Reply to already posted comments. The discussion threads are presented in an easy-to-follow, tree-like representation, and you can use stylized comments. Let's see, for example, a DIRA map that was published using this kind of technology. If you already used forum systems before, you will find a similar graphical interface and familiar concepts that should ease the interaction with a feedback-enabled WebHelp system even further. Also, the administration and notification features are similar to those seen on web forums. It is possible to define moderators and administrators. The users can get notifications while new comments are posted either on the topic they already have posted feedback or even on the entire documentation. Now it's time to see the system in action. Let's choose a topic from our published documentation. As you can see, there are already a few comments posted by several users. We'll log in and try to post an answer to one of the questions. We already have set up an account, so we don't need to sign up for a new one. Now let's compose the reply with a bit of text styling. To simplify this demonstration, we have set the system as unmoderated so that the reply will be presented as soon as we post it. As you can see, the system allows nested posts with the replies placed under the original comment. Note that the system will notify all users that have posted on that page and its moderators, if any. Let's see how a notification looks like. Maybe one of the biggest advantages of using the feedback-enabled WebHelp system is that content authors can review in context all comments posted by other users and incorporate valuable feedback into the documentation's XML source. Until now, we have seen how such system is used. Now let's go back to oXygen and see how easy it is to generate it and deploy it. The feedback-enabled WebHelp system uses tried and tested technologies like PHP, Ajax, and MySQL. To generate the output, you can use the pre-configured transformation scenarios available for DIRA and DocBook frameworks. In this demonstration, we'll show how to generate output from a DIRA map. This is a very simple process requiring just a few steps. Let's open the sample DIRA map that was used in the first part of the demonstration. Click this button to access the Configure Transformation Scenarios dialog. Note that oXygen ships with two pre-configured WebHelp transformation scenarios, one with feedback and the other one without feedback. We'll choose the feedback-enabled one and click Apply. oXygen now asks about the name and the version of the product the documentation refers to. This information is needed to keep the new comments associated with a specific product and version. This way you can publish multiple versions of the product documentation on the same server. When the transformation is over, oXygen opens a page with detailed instructions about how to deploy the output. From this point, you just need to follow the instructions to complete the installation process. And this concludes our demonstration. Thanks for watching. For additional information about this topic and more video demonstrations, make sure you visit the oxygenxml.com website.